Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Rosan Villaroman, 34 years old, from Malilipot, Albay, single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 3 kids, 12, 11, 4.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings. I am a second.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
I am undergrad in college
And why did you not finish your college?
because of financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I have 2 years experience.
And your duties are?
Cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, take care of kids and pets.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and kind.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, I have one at my back, not visible, and I have one at my left arm, visible.
Okay, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No,
Why do you want to work abroad?
because I will support my family, especially my children.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Now give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will clean my boys.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Dear my future employer, I will promise to be a good worker, and I will assure you that I am hardworking, honest, and if you have children, I will love them as my own, and I will promise to finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank